Hi, Martin again. In the previous video from this series, Why Tokenization, we spoke about what tokenization has to do with crowdfunding as one of the use cases, so fundraising and giving token in exchange for money or some assets which were needed by the fundraiser. So today I'm going to briefly speak about some other use case. So now I would name it, I guess, liquidation or de-risking. So it means that someone already has an asset. For example, a venture capital has some stake in some startup, or angel investor has stake in some startup, or equity investor or asset manager has, for example, a portfolio of real estates. And those entities would like to share their risk or share their assets with someone else and get in exchange some money, dollars or cryptos perhaps. All in all, it's also a viable use case for tokenization. So for example, me as a real estate portfolio owner, I could instantiate some special purpose vehicle and tokenize shares in it in order to sell the tokens or give away the tokens, for example. Might be a charity in that case, but let's say that I would prefer to sell these tokens. Why not to sell the whole asset, so the stake in a startup or real estate or whole real estate portfolio? Well, I would say that's not always the case. Perhaps sometimes I would like to only decrease my exposure to this given asset, but still keep part of it. And it might be hard to sell a big stake and find a buyer for a big stake in some startup or real estate. It might be fine or a good solution to indeed tokenize it and sell the percentage I want. For example, 30% of my stake in a startup, I would tokenize it and sell it in exchange for dollars or bitcoins, and this reinvest in something else. So de-risking, that's the word which came to my mind. As a real estate investor, for example, I might want to tokenize my investment portfolio of real estates in Poland in order to exchange it for someone who has similar portfolio in other country, perhaps Austria or Spain or Luxembourg, I don't know. I would be willing to lower my risk and exposure to Polish real estate in exchange, for example, to some real estates in different jurisdiction. Yeah. So that's the use case, other use case which came to my mind. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Do you know such cases? Would you be seeing some potential for it? And if you like the series in all, so why tokenization, please share it. Sharing is caring. Have a nice day. Bye.